Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to On Obs and Gynae. In this video, we will discuss the ultrasound appearance of popliteal vein DVT and the key findings that help make the diagnosis. In fact, non-compressible vein with a thrombus is the key diagnostic sign. On B mode or grayscale, we find echogenic thrombus within the popliteal vein. And on compression view, we find non-compressible vein due to thrombus. And there is absent flow on the color Doppler. In fact, the femoral vein and artery dive through the adductor canal and emerge behind the knee. The popliteal vein is now on the top of popliteal artery. Here you can compare it with a normal popliteal vein, which is compressible. And in case of popliteal vein thrombus, there is complete occlusion and no Doppler signal is found. So, non-compressible popliteal vein is most important sign of popliteal vein DVT. Non-compressible popliteal vein means that when the ultrasound probe is pressed gently over the popliteal vein behind the knee, the vein does not collapse completely. On ultrasound, in popliteal DVT, there is echogenic or hypoechoic thrombus within the vein lumen. Means that a blood clot is visible inside the vein on the ultrasound scan. There is dilated vein in acute popliteal vein DVT. Dilated vein and acute DVT means that the affected vein appears larger than the normal on ultrasound because it is distended by fresh blood clot. Absent or reduced color Doppler flow means that little or no blood flow is detected within the vein on color Doppler ultrasound because the vein is partially or completely blocked by the thrombus or the blood clot. Loss of normal venous phasicity in popliteal DVT means that the blood flow in popliteal vein no longer show the normal variation with the respiration on spectral Doppler ultrasound. Reduced or absent augmentation response means that when the cough is squeezed during the Doppler ultrasound, there is little or no increase in the venous blood flow seen in the popliteal vein. So that was a brief overview of popliteal vein DVT. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to On Obs and Gynae for more ultrasound and medical education videos. Subscribe on Obs and Gynae and follow the Facebook page of On Obs and Gynae and write your comments in the comments section. Allah Hafiz.